Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hold the result if your Windows 10 computer is having difficulties typing into the search bar. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to reset one of your language settings that could be creating an issue here. And we're going to be doing this through the command prompt. And we're going to start by just opening up the start menu, left click on the start button one time, type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. You want to right click on that and then left click on run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to left click on yes. Now I'm going to have a command in the description of the video. I want you guys to copy it out of my description and then go up to the top bar of this command prompt window, right click on it one time, left click on edit and then left click on paste. Once this command is pasted in here, you should see the operation completed successfully. At this point in time I would suggest closing out of the command prompt, restart your computer, and hopefully that has resolved the issue. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.